Look, y'all, I'm working with a few crawfish today. This from the leftover crawfish bar we had the other day. Look at that, aren't they pretty? Look at that. So just about maybe 2 or 3 pounds. I'm gonna peel them. You know, I'm gonna take them, and I'm going to peel them. I'll probably save the heads for some stock. Put that head over there. Clean. Take that shell off right there. Probably maybe some crawfish stock. I'm gonna sit up there and peel them. Show y'all a few recipes with some crawfish. Do that. Get that little black part right there out of it, right there. Throw that away over there. And see, there you go. There you go, your clean crawfish. So I may do a crawfish cornbread. I'm definitely gonna show y'all my my seafood. Show y'all my seafood. Put in the bowl there. Show y'all my seafood stuffed baked potato that I do with crawfish. Let me do one more. That I do with crawfish, shrimp, and crab meat. Put that over there. Cause we had a crab ball the other day too, and I got all the meat out of those crabs we had left over. Put that like that. Let me get that out. All right. All right. Let me get busy. See y'all in a few. Y'all look at that. I got a few crawfish. I think I'm going to show y'all my seafood baked potato. I'm going to go in the deep freezer and get me some shrimp out. I got some fresh crab meat. I picked out the shell, out the crab shell. So that's my crawfish. These gonna be my potatoes. I think I'm gonna invite my sister over so she can have one with me. Got me some bacon potatoes. And right here, see there? That's the heads and the tail shells of the crawfish. I'm gonna put it on the stove and put it on the boil and do like maybe a half a gallon of stock. Use it for later. All right. Y'all got me about 6 slices of bacon on the cookie sheet. About to put it in the oven. So at least the bacon will be done for the baked potatoes. Yes, sir. Gonna be good. Y'all finna make my quick seafood sauce to go in my stuffed baked potato. Seafood stuffed baked potato. So I got 3 tablespoons of butter melting right there. Now let's go over here to my ingredients. Right here I have, let's see. That's the shrimp. So I got the little small shrimp. I got them seasoned with Slap Your Mama. That's all I needed on there. Here I got about 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm touching as I go. My hands clean. Here I have about a half a cup of cheese. Maybe a cup of cheese. That's the Mexican mixed cheese. 4-in-1. What else I got here? Here go my some crawfish. Here goes some what this is here? No, this is the crawfish. There go the crawfish. This is the what this is? No, this is the shrimp. Yeah, that's the shrimp. This is some crab meat. I got over here some let's see, I got this one right. I got 1 cup of whole milk. I got 1 cup of homemade seafood broth. Made by myself. And what this is right here? No, what this is over here? Oh, I'm sorry. This is shrimp that go in there. These shrimp here is to be this shrimp here is to be grilled. That's gonna be the extra topping. All right, be right back. Okay, y'all see my butter hot? About to add that flour in there. Add the flour. About to make a little blonde roux. Let me get my spoon. Let's stir this flour in here. Make a little roux. Okay, after about 5 to 8 minutes, let's add our cup of whole milk. I usually use evaporated milk, but I didn't feel like opening up a can, so whole milk can do. Y'all hear that noise? That's what you want to hear, baby. Throw that milk in. Kind of like making an Alfredo sauce. See, that has thickened already. Now let's add our homemade seafood stock. Everybody's taste is going to vary on this depending on what kind of stock you use. Oh, y'all can see me in there. Let's throw that seafood. Ooh, that smells good. Let's throw that seafood stock in there. Alright, this been cooking for about 5-6 minutes. I don't like to mislead anybody. I put me a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder and about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm about to add my blended cheese in there. I'll say about a half a cup. Like I say, this is for 3 baked potatoes. I'm just giving you the measurements, what I do to make mine. Let that cheese melt and thicken it. Then we're going to add the shrimp and the rest of the stuff. Don't forget, my shrimp is seasoned to stop your mama. So that's why I haven't put pretty much no salt and stuff in here. Also, when I make my seafood stock, I season it also. So I don't need much. See how creamy that sauce thing got? Look how creamy that sauce thing got. But I know what I'm doing. I may not can see it, but Zeke know what he doing. Alright, let's add these seasoned shrimp to it. These are little small shrimp. So you know that ain't gonna take long. May not even take 3 minutes. Stir that in there. Let them shrimp cook for about 3 minutes. Then y'all know our crawfish and our crab meat is already cooked. Cause that's from a crab and crawfish boil we had. Flavor, baby. Flavor. Yeah, that's what's gonna go in the baked potato. And some more stuff. Right, it's been about 3 minutes. I just took a spoon out of my drawer and tasted. Yeah, it don't need any more seasoning to it. It is done. Now we add in the cooked crawfish. Don't forget, I got some more crawfish stuff I'm gonna do something else with. And let's add in the lump crab meat that I took hours to get out of those crabs. Stir that in. About a minute. Turn it off. This can also go good over pasta. You can put this on pasta, and that can be your seafood pasta sauce. Y'all see that? Am I in there? Make sure I'm in there. That's it, y'all. I done turned it off. And I'm going to take it off this hour. You know, electric stoves. That's it. There go my sauce that's going to go in my seafood baked potato. That's crab, shrimp, and crawfish. Okay, let me take and put this back out. Alright, there go my grill skillet, y'all. I got a little butter in there. Y'all see it popping. Gotta hurry up. Here goes some more shrimp. That's some more little shrimp. I got some blackened seasoning on it and just a little butter. And there go the rest of the little crawfish. I got a little blackened seasoning on there. And we about to grill these up right quick. That's gonna be another little addition to the yummy. All right, let me grill this up. This will be one of our toppers. The shrimp is ready. So I'm gonna add these little crawfish in there. Add those little crawfish in there, let them heat up. All right, that's our toppers, baby. And then the crawfish ready already. That's what's gonna go on top of our potato too. All right, let's set this potato up. My potato already ready. Y'all know how. Y'all don't need to see me bake no damn potato. Y'all know how to bake a potato. Right, that's going to finale, y'all. I done decorated it for y'all, or however they want to say. There go my seafood baked potato. I would do a taste test, but I'm not messing it up on camera. I'm about to dig in it. And y'all see I got a lot to dig through. All right, y'all see me make it? Go make you some if you got time. Bye.